Hello friends, I'm back again with another tutorial. You can see over here it is a search. So if your search is not working, so how do you fix if your search is not working in a Windows 10? So if your Windows 10 search is not working, you're gonna follow all the steps in this tutorial. So either step will definitely help you. The number of steps in this tutorial I'm going to guide you. So either step, I hope it help you guys and you'll be able to fix the problem. So let's begin with the first step. The first step is quite simple and easy. What you guys gonna do, go to the start icon, give a right click on it and then go to setting. And that you have to go to update and security. Just check for the update. You can see download and install. So if you have any kinds of update, just download and install the update. See just below. Or you can check for the update manually by clicking on over here. So you can click check for the update. It will check for the update and then after you can download and install the update. So this is the first step. When you install the update, your PC will restart and you will see all the problem will be fixed and your search will be also working. So you can see it is downloading. When it is done with it, even you can download and install if any additional update is available, if you are given the option to download and install. So the very first step to fix this issue. If the issue still exists, proceed to the next step. Okay guys, you're gonna press Alt, Control and Delete key together. So here it is, Alt key plus Control key plus Delete key. Just tap Alt key and then tap Control key and then tap Delete key, all the keys together. And then you're gonna see Task Manager. Inside Task Manager, you're gonna go to User. You can see the user over here. So here's the user. You're gonna go to the user. Sorry guys. Detail. Here you have a details. You just have to go to the details. So not to the user, but you have to go to details. So when you go to the details, you just have to tap S letter in your keyboard. So when you tap S letter in your keyboard, you can see all the indexing, all the name with the letter S. So in that name, you're just gonna select searchui.exe. So you just have to, you can see searchui.exe. So inside details, you have searchui.exe. Give a right click on it and then end tasks. So just end the tasks and then click on end process. Next time you'll go to the search, you can see again it appears automatically. So now you can go to the search and start making search. It should fix the problem. Still it do not fix the problem. You can restart your PC after doing this, because if it do not appear right over here, you just have to restart your PC and it should be working fine. Still you have the problem, proceed to the next step. So you continue to the next step. So just give a right click, here's the Windows, give a right click on it and then go to setting. In setting, you have to choose update and security again. So here you have update and security. And then you just have to scroll down. Okay, not here, over here. Scroll down and somewhere you're gonna find Troubleshoot. Here you have, it's a Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Just come down and here it is, find and fix the problem. So you can see find and fix other problem. In this you're gonna choose, so you have a search problem, so search and indexing. So click on that and then you can run the troubleshooter. It will detect the problem. So here are the number of options. You can see whatever is the problem, if all these are the problem, you can check all this box, and this is for manually showing the problem. My problem isn't listed in the above, so you can, so if all these are problems, you can just check the box. Otherwise, none of your problem is not listed over here, problem is different than this, just check this box and click on next, and then you specify the problem over here, like search is not working. So you can specify your problem and click on next, and it will search for the problem and it will fix it automatically. So even you can try troubleshoot as an administrator if the problem is still not fixed. Even if you want a detailed information, you can go to the detailed information, it will give you all the information. You can see none of the problem is over there, or you can just click on next, run as an administrator. You can try to fix as an administrator. So administrator will give the more permission, it will have a more privilege. So again, just search is not working, and then click on next. Okay guys, so again you can check for the detailed information. So none of the problem is present right now. So this way you can just troubleshoot your issue with the search. If the problem is fixed, okay, otherwise proceed to the next step. There are even shortcut ways to open the troubleshooter, guys. Let me show you the shortcut way. The shortcut way is you just have to press the Windows, just okay guys, give a right click on over here, and then here is the command prompt and command prompt admin. So just open the command prompt or command prompt admin, click on yes, and then just type a command. Here is the command. The command is not visible to you guys. Let me show you. Here is the command, guys. Let me show you the command. Okay. Here is the command. Not the first one. This is not the command. So the second one. This is the command. You see, I've typed it as it is. So if it's not visible, you can just make a note from here. It's msdt.exe space -ep. So as it is, Windows Help ID Search Diagnostic. So just type the command in a command prompt and press enter key, and it will open this page. So this is the previous page. Press enter key, and it will open this page. You just have to click on next, and then you have the same, you can follow the steps. So this is the command prompt way how you can directly go to troubleshoot your problem in a shortcut way. Now we proceed to the next step. Next solution, you're gonna press Windows plus R key together. You have to press this key together in your keyboard. That will open run. Now once you open this run, you just have to type this command over here. It's a services.msc. So you just type this over here. Once you type it, you just have to press OK, and this will open this window. Let me make it a little bit bigger. Now you're gonna tap W letter in your keyboard. So just select anyone and tap W letter. That will take you to W. Now you're gonna search for Windows Search. So somewhere you're gonna see Windows Search. So here I have. You can see it's a Windows Search. Just give a right click on it and then go to Properties. Once you go to Properties, in the Properties box, you're gonna see over here, startup type is automatic. Sometime it will be disabled. So if it is disabled, you're gonna choose automatic. Automatic delayed start, or you can choose automatic. And then after you choose it, you just have to apply. and then click on OK. Now here it is stop and start. Alright, so if your service is not working properly, you can see currently it is running and it's automatic. So if it is disabled, you just have to change it to automatic through properties, and you can stop the service, and then after start the service again. You can see over here start the service again. So even you can stop and start the service through properties. Just select it and give a right click on it and go to properties, and then here you have stop and start option. Even you can give a right click on it and restart the service or refresh the service. So refresh the service, restart the service, and then check it out if your search is working fine now. Even after this, you can just restart your PC. After doing this, you can just restart your PC and check out if your search is working fine now. If not working, you can proceed to the next step. Now the next solution you can try, press the Windows key and the R in your keyboard, and that will open Run. Now you're going to type Control Panel. And then you're going to press OK. That will open the control panel. The control panel you're going to see in the beginning like this. Now what you're going to do, you can see over here, it's a category. So in this drop down icon, you just have to tap it, and then you're going to choose large icon. When you choose the large icon, you'll see lots of item over here. In the list of item, you're going to choose indexing. You can see here's the indexing option. So click on it, and then when you open up this box, you're going to click on Advanced. And finally, the another box, you're going to click on this Rebuild. You're going to see this, click on OK. Now you can see on the top, indexing on process. So you can see 1111 item index. So all the items are being indexed. So give a while. So depending upon the number of item, it might take some time. So when it is done with everything, when it is done indexing, you have to click on Close, and then you can check if problem is fixed. Otherwise, you can just proceed to the next solution. So to try the next one, you can see again you just have to press the Windows key and R. So here it is. Tap the Windows button in your keyboard and R button together, and that will open this Run. Now you're going to type this. So you can make a note of it, and you have to type it as it is without any spelling mistake over here. Once you type it, you just have to press OK. I'm just going to press OK, and then it should fix the issue. If the issue is not fixed, you can proceed to the next solution. But another way to run this, you just have to make a note of this one. It's a ctfmon.exe. Just make a note of this one, give a right click on Start, and then open command prompt as an admin. Click on Yes. Now in a command prompt, you just have to run the command. So here's the command prompt. So just type the command Same thing whether you do it in a first method or through command prompt. So you just have to run this ctfmon.exe and then check if your problem is fixed. Otherwise, proceed to the next solution. Proceeding to the next solution, you have to search for the file. Open the browser, any one of the search engine, and then you can search for reset Windows search PowerShell script. Always choose the official website. You can see here's the download option. Now you can download for the file. There's a number of web. You can choose the web to download the file. So once you click on the link, you'll see this page where you're gonna see, just scroll the page and you're gonna see the download option. So click on download to download the file. So you can see here's the file I have downloaded. It's a reset Windows search box. So what you're gonna do now, just give a right click on it and then run with PowerShell. So here is on the top, you're gonna see run with PowerShell. It can ask you for the permission. Click on open. Now it will open the PowerShell. It can ask you for the several permission. So you have to give the permission as Y for yes. Click on yes. Okay guys, you can see it is not successful. You can see cannot be loaded. If you receive any kind of message like done, if it runs the file successfully and if it is done, you just have to close the box and then check if your search is working fine now. If you receive the message cannot be loaded because running script is disabled. So if you receive the message like this cannot be loaded, you're going to proceed ahead. If it is done, just exit over here. If it is not done, if it can't be loaded, proceed ahead and you're going to type few commands. So type the commands as it is. So guys, you can make a note of this command. Even you will find this command right over there in pinned post in the comment section. So you can make a note of it. You can copy it or type it and paste it over here and press enter key. You can see is the message restricted. So the next command you're gonna type. Okay, here's the next command that you're gonna type. So make a note of this command as it is correctly, or you'll find it in the pinned post in the comment section down below, or you can just copy and paste it, or you just have to type it. Press enter key once you type. It can ask you for the permission. So you can press Y and press enter key to give the permission. Now you can just close the window and then you just have to try again. So it was not done in the very beginning. In the first time we received cannot be done because of some restriction. Now after doing that, you're closing the windows, you're gonna try the same step again. Give a right click on it and then run with PowerShell. So run it PowerShell. Click on open. Click on yes. And you can see it's a security warning. It is asking you whether you want to run it or you do not want to run it. So you have to press R to run once. So press R key and press enter key to run once. You can see resetting Windows search box right over here. Press any key to continue. Just press any key to continue. And you are done, guys. You can see you are almost done resetting the Windows search. So now you just have to go back and check if your Windows search is working fine now. Even you can restart your PC and check if your Windows search is working fine now. After doing this, your Windows search must be working. Now, couple of steps more you have to follow. So the next command finally that you need to run is this one. So make a note of it, or you just check the pinned post in the comment section. I have pinned over there. So you just have to type it as it is, or just copy and paste it. So in this command, you're gonna see guys here at the end it is restricted. So in the very beginning we typed this command. So when we typed this command, I got the message restricted. So at the end of so this command is up to here. So restricted is one that I got when I typed this command in the very beginning. In the very beginning I typed this command and I got the message as restricted. So it is restricted over here at the end. So same value what you got after typing this command in the very beginning. If in your PC you got other message other than restricted, so normally you might be getting restricted. In case if you got any message any other than the restricted, you just have to use that one. While typing this command in the very beginning, you just have to make a note what message or what value you are getting. So just type this command or just copy and paste this command over here now. So do not close. You just have to type this command and press enter key. It's gonna ask you for the permission. Click on Y. Sorry guys, type Y to give the permission as yes and press enter key, and you are all done. Now you can just close the window. So this was finally another method that you could try in order to fix the issue. Okay guys, finally I hope this tutorial helped you guys. Follow one by one all the steps in the tutorial, and one the either step will definitely help you. I hope you get help and your search box will start working fine again. Now you can see my search box is working fine. I hope you all also get help with this tutorial. So if you like this tutorial, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe and comment. I'll catch you in the next tutorial with another greatest stuff. Have a good day.